Hello, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to your channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of container gardening, and we'll be discussing a step-by-step approach to growing peas in pots. Whether you have limited space or just want fresh peas at your fingertips, this is for you. Let's get started. Peas thrive in cooler weather, so the best seasons for growing peas are typically spring and fall. Planting in early spring allows peas to mature before the summer heat sets in. In fall, you can also take advantage of the cooler temperatures for a second pea growing season. Select a pot that's at least 12 inches deep. This ensures enough room for the pea plants to thrive. Don't forget drainage holes to keep your soil well aerated. Now, fill your pot with a high-quality potting mix. Peas prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. It's like giving them the perfect home to grow in. Choose a pea variety suitable for containers. Dwarf or bush varieties work well. Check the seed packet for spacing recommendations, and let's get those seeds in the soil. Plant the pea seeds about 1 to 2 inches deep. After sowing, give them a good drink of water. Proper hydration is key to kickstarting their growth. As peas grow, they need support. Insert stakes or a trellis into the pot to give your pea plants something to climb. This not only keeps them tidy, but also encourages better airflow. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be cautious not to overwater. Place your pot in a sunny spot, ensuring your peas get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. They love soaking up the sun. During the growing season, feed your pea plants with a balanced fertilizer or compost. Follow the instructions on the package for the best results. Watch out for pests like aphids or pea weevils. If you spot any unwanted visitors, use natural remedies or insecticidal soap to keep them at bay. The exciting part: harvesting. Once the pea pods are plump and the peas inside are well formed, gently pull the pods from the plant. Harvest regularly to encourage more pod production. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on growing peas in pots. I hope this inspires you to try container gardening and enjoy the fruits or peas of your labor. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy gardening, and see you next time.